What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. Today we are going to discuss some option selling. What else would we be discussing, guys? Come on. Option selling, option selling, option selling. Right. Really short video. I just want to get this out there. This is a video on a trade opportunity that I found. MicroStrategy. You guys know in the Discord group, I've been milking this shit out of MicroStrategy for weeks now, making bank, absolute bank, and we are going to continue to do that. So without further ado, let me show you exactly what I am looking at. By the way, I am not a fan of the MicroStrategy stock. I think it is a heap of garbage and I want to short this thing into the ground. However, short-term opportunities and all that, we're not going to go in for a short position yet. Well, sort of. I am long-term bearish on MicroStrategy, but short-term bullish on Bitcoin price action. So I think I found a pretty good position that is going to help us make a lot of money in this particular ticker. So what we can see, guys, is we can see my broker here, and we can see the MicroStrategy chart right now. So what I actually took is a strangle last week, and it expires today. So I've actually rolled one of the sides out. So let me explain this to you guys really quickly. So if we go to MicroStrategy, my positions, and what we can see is right now I have the call side that's still expiring today. So there's $6 left to collect on this today. So just before expiration, I'm going to recycle this buying part into next week, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to open up next week. So if we come here and we come into 7 days, so this is what I've actually got. So right now you can see I've got the 265 put open for next week, which I sold. Right now it is in $47 profit. So very happy with that. We're going to aim for this to expire worthless. So I'm basically betting that MicroStrategy is not going to drop below 265 by next week. That is all the way down 265 right here at this key level, and I'm sure it's 31% out of the money, and you guys can you can see exactly why I took this strike. You can see this massive key level right here. In fact, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Let me make it thick. So this is the big key level, nice and thick, as we like it, thick. And our key level to the upside right now, in my opinion, is the all-time high at 540, and we have our 1.272 Fibonacci extension coming in at $617 or $615. So we're going to use this. We can collect a lot of premium, but for me, on a short squeezy stock like this, or something that can squeeze so easy, this is too low. So I want to go up here at the 615 strike. So let me show you what I'm going to do into next week. So we're going to get the broker up here, and we are going to look at, okay, this is all broken. Let me minimize, there we go. Let me minimize this, and then maximize it again, fix it. Okay, it's still completely broken, but that's fine. Ignore this here. So we are going to go to the 620 strike, and we can sell that, and we can collect $112. And then, as I'm sort of bullish in the short term, instead of me just collecting the 112, by the way, it's actually more. I actually collected, it'll be, if I sold this put again right now, it would be $222 for a week. However, remember, I sold this yesterday and it's already up $40 in profit, so it'll be like $260 I'll make on this trade in the week. However, I want a little bit more upside protection. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to come to the 250. Okay, I want to buy the 250 call and sell the buy the 450 and sell the 452.5. Okay, so this is going to cost me, how much is this going to cost? This is going to cost me $42, okay? But remember, I am selling the 620 to help cover that. So I'm going to collect $80 in credit. I'm still getting paid $80 to hope that MicroStrategy does not go above 620. However, guys, $330 max profit in the week if MicroStrategy closes above 452.5. If we get that squeeze, I will profit, and as long as we don't rip past all-time high up to 620, I will profit even more. So this here would be our nice profit gap, right? So let me actually just straight away go to options strat, and I'll show you guys how this would look. MicroStrategy. Okay, so we have sold the 200 and what was the strike again? 265 strike. And I collected. Why does it say the price is that? Oh yes, because we're selling it. Okay, and this is a call, so we want to change that to switch to put. There we go. And I personally received 2.2, no, 2 point, I think it was 2.6 or something, or 1.6. It's about that. Okay, so we'll just put it for that for now. And then we're going to sell a call, and we're going to sell our call all the way up at 620. And then we are going to buy the 450. Buy call 450. And then we're going to sell a call 455. And this is what it's going to look like, guys. So this is our profit. We are going to see profit of $206 anywhere within this range. And if we break to the upside and we actually close after the put debit spread, we'll make $706 in a week. Okay, we will only start to see our losses after our break even, which is 670 or 627 a share, which you can see right over there. Okay guys, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing to play this trade. When am I going to do this exactly? Well, as soon as I can close out this week's call for probably $0.1, $0.2. So I'll probably do this 5 minutes before market close. I'm going to get this video out to you guys now though, so you can see this and you can react to it, follow along, do what you want. But remember guys, come to the Discord, say hello. If I open up the Discord here, you can see all of my trades are posted. Here's my SPX trades, or 0-day expiration. You can see we've been making a killing on SPX. It's been absolutely fantastic. 0 days to expiration. Jen has also been making a killing on SPX. Here's all my wheel strategy trades, and you can see here's the put I actually opened. I actually only got 1.22 credit for it, but anyway, there you go. As you can see, I've already posted. I'll turn it into a strangle today, or tomorrow, which is now today, and that's the plan. Here's all the trades. We have been absolutely killing it, guys. We're a very active community. Link in the description. Come check us out, and hope to see you there. Take it easy, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.